Hello, so in this vlog I'm just following up on a post that I did on our blog regarding phones being made out of plastic. Now I've got nothing against plastic, it's a fantastic invention, but I think we lack devices that are made out of metal. Metal's a fantastic natural creation, it's solid, it feels weighty, it feels strong. You know, a metal device in the palm of your hand feels much better than plastic, but the compromise is generally that it's thicker, it's heavier, and it conducts heat more, or it can affect the radio frequencies in your device, so not give you the same performance, and it can also feel cold, whereas plastic's a lot more versatile. So we put this post up on our blog, and it sparked a little bit of discussion, and it seems there's a lot of mixed opinion. Now, I personally think the Galaxy Nexus is one of the most expensive devices out there, can in places feel really cheap. Whilst the back cover fits well, there it is, it's bending, and I kind of think if you're spending sort of £500 you want something that's really robust and solid. Yeah, I had my hands on the other day with a Motorola Moto Lux, mid-range handset, but I removed the battery cover and it's metal, it's really firm, you know, it feels solid. Yes, it's been coated in a soft touch material rather than just being a harsh metal back like some other devices. You know, HTC have had a lot of metal chassis devices. This has been coated, but it just makes that device feel, in a way, premium. But the discussion seemed to come to the conclusion, really, that whilst we all like the feel of a metal device, it feels solid, it feels stronger, for everyone it might not be the case, because if you're carrying your device around all the time, the lightweight plastic is better for you. You know, this gives you more rigidity, but it's weightier and potentially bulkier. You know, not by a huge amount, but 10-15 grams if you're carrying it around in your pocket the whole time, and a couple of mils thicker. For some, that's not always the case. Now, I personally tend to find that my device is not in my pocket that often. It's often on my desk at work, it's in the cradle in my car, so I'm probably not the best person to really sort of suggest that I need a plastic device, whereas if you're always on the go, this lighter device may be better. There's a lot of two fors and against, really. What does seem interesting is people are more willing to accept bigger devices in metal, so they want their tablets like the Apple iPad to be metal, their laptops a metal chassis, and it seems to be the case that people are more willing to accept the metal designed products on the slightly bigger products, the products they don't expect to carry the whole time. So a tablet, you might take it with you a lot, but it's more likely to be in a bag, so you know the weight is distributed in that bag. You may carry your laptop only occasionally, it's on your lap when you're sat down, so you're not actually physically holding it the whole time and realising the weight of it, which is kind of interesting that people should have that sort of mixed opinion. And I think really the concluding fact was that neither one or another is better. They are both liked just as much in different circumstances for different people. So whilst I might like a metal phone, somebody else likes the plastic phone. And it's going to be based on your circumstances. So if my lifestyle changed dramatically, that I suddenly was always out and about on a phone, I may feel that the plastic one is better because I spend quite a bit of time at my desk, or if I am out and about, the times that I am, the extra weight doesn't really affect me, then it just seems that people have those different opinions and no one's against one material or the other. What are your thoughts? What are your comments on this? Either comment below or check out our blog post, which the link is in the description below as well, and give us your thoughts on the whole plastic and metal debate.